If Epic Games Launcher is not launching or you're stuck at the login screen, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a couple of simple fixes that solve this problem for most people. We're going to start with the quickest option first, and then move on to clearing the Webcache, which is one of the most effective fixes for launcher issues. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is rerun the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher needs extra permission to open correctly or to load the sign-in page properly. To do that, close the launcher completely if it's open in the background. Then find the Epic Games Launcher icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission pop-up appears, click Yes. Now wait a moment and see if the launcher opens normally. If it does, then the issue may have just been a permissions problem and you're good to go. But if Epic Games still won't launch, or if it opens and keeps failing to log you in, then don't worry, because the next step is usually the one that fixes it. We're going to clear the Webcache folder. This folder stores temporary data, and if it gets corrupted, it can stop the launcher from opening properly or interfere with the login process. Clearing it is safe, and it often resolves a lot of Epic Games Launcher bugs. To do this, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %local AppData %, all as one word with the % signs around it, then press Enter. This will open your local AppData folder. Inside this folder, look for Epic Games Launcher and open it. Then open the Saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called Webcache. Delete the Webcache folder completely. If you see more than one Webcache folder, or anything similar like Webcache-4147 or another version number, delete those as well. Once that's done, close the window and restart your computer. Restarting is important because it clears out any leftover launcher processes and makes sure the changes fully apply. After your PC turns back on, try launching Epic Games again and sign in. In most cases, one of these two steps will fix the issue. Either running the launcher as administrator or deleting the Webcache folder will get Epic Games working again so you can log in and start using it normally. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy fixes and gaming tutorials. It really helps the channel, and I've got plenty more troubleshooting guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.